Good morning, dear students. Grade 4, how are you? I hope you are all safe and staying home and enjoying your time at home. In my hand today, as you see, is Unit 1. This book we are going to use for now. It is Forces and Energy. I want to tell you something. Some of you will say, Miss, I don't have it at home. It's okay, don't worry about this. If you don't have it with you at home, you will follow with me because I am going to photocopy each page. Now I can give you an idea if you want to go to school. The security man is always there. You can tell him and he can open the door for you or the gate. But please, I need you to stay safe and follow with me. Today we are going to do some activities, and in these activities, Christy is going to join me and we are going to apply some activities. As you can see, we are applying social distance. She's away from me, okay? And Christy will help me to show you some activities. You can do them at home with your mom, with your dad, anyone at home, okay? So you can understand them better. So, as I told you, now we are going to learn about position. I want you to answer this question with me. Where is Christy standing? Behind Christy is what? You can see a tree. Christy is standing. I want you to tell me, is she in front of the tree? Behind the tree? Yes, she is in front of the tree. So, Christy's position is in front of the tree. Now, Christy is going to leave the tree and go to the other tree. And I want, what is she doing, Christy? What is she doing? Yes, she is moving. To leave her position, she has to move. She moved. I want you to practice this with your friend at home, your mom, anyone. So, she has moved and she has walked. So, what do we call it when somebody moves? She was in motion. Christy, please go back to the same. So now she is walking. So Christy is in motion. She cannot leave her place without moving. So we call this motion. Say it with me. Motion. Yes, she was in motion. Now, we are going to do something else. Okay, so now I'm going to approach Christy. So my location or my position is where I am standing next to Christy, but away from for 1 meter. Of course, this is called physical distance. We cannot approach now because of the corona disease. Here with me, I'm not sure if Ms. Adra, you studied about it. This is a measurement tool. It's a meter. Do you know why do we use this? It's a measurement tool. We use it, we can use it for many purposes. I can use it, for instance, to measure my height. I'm not going to tell you how much, okay? So now what we're going to do, Christy is going to hold one part of this, okay? And I am going to this, I'm going to move. I'm in motion. I have changed my position. I am going to move to see how much this can stretch. Okay, so Christy, please move this way. Okay, look, between Christy's position and my position, 570 centimeters, it means 5 meters and 70 centimeters. You can see it if you like, here. Okay, so the distance between Christy and my position, 570 centimeters. Okay, so I want you to put this in mind. The distance between Christy and Miss Musa is 570 centimeters. I'm going to close this now. I'm going to put this aside. If you don't have one like this at home, the room, your parents can help you. Look how they are going to help you. Look, each step is 1 meter. Okay, you do this, and you can approximately tell the measurement between two positions. Okay, I'm going to put this measurement tool here. Now, I'm going to use my watch for timer to see how many seconds it will take Christy to move. She will be in motion to come to my position. Look, when I will tell Christy to move, I will start counting or using my watch to set the time. Okay, Christy, when I say go, you go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so Christy took 10 seconds to walk from that tree to my position. So, what was the distance? You remember, Christy, what was the distance between there and here?
5 meters and
70 centimeters. So, Christy took 10 seconds to cover a space or a distance of 5 meters and 70 centimeters. You can do this. So, this is called speed. The speed of Christy to move from there to here, she covered the distance in only 10 seconds, okay? Now, she was walking. What about Christy? If we practice, Christy, I will change the position. Christy will run to see, she will run to see how much time will she use to cover the distance. Okay, Christy, let me say, when I say go, you go, because I'm going to set my time. Okay, 1, 2, go. Okay, now 5 seconds. Christy took 5 seconds to cover a distance of 5 meters and 70 centimeters. This is, I told you about it. You remember this cat? This is Moon. Yes, the one that was a kitten. Now it grew up. Look how it looks. Okay, so back to our lesson. Christy, when she changed her motion, she moved faster. She took 5 seconds to cover 5 meters, 70 centimeters. Okay, now look what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring my book, and we're going to show you the garden around my hometown, because we are not allowed to leave, go outside, but here it's around the neighborhood where people are not crowded. And as you see, I am staying away from Christy. Look here, it's more than 1 meter, it's 2 meters. If you have your books, I need you to open to page 10. If not, follow with me, then I will attach an image of this page. Position and motion, as you are seeing here, position and motion. The position of an object is its location. Certain words give us clues and location, like left. I want you to raise your left arm up, above and below. Above. Christy, I want you to put the book above your head. Above your head. She's putting the book above her head. I want you to put it to your left side, Christy, to your left side. Now, your right side, okay? So these are called, what do we call these? Show the location. I think that Mrs. Mansour taught you about the positions. Up, above, below, behind, as in left, right, north, south, okay? Let's go back. North and south, east and west. When we describe an object's position, we compare it to surrounding objects. Motion. Motion is a change in an object's position. to describe motion more completely, you also need to find the amount of time it takes an object to move a certain distance. We apply this activity with measures of distance, direction, and time. You can describe motion and how it changes. Now, let's go to speed. The speed of an object is how fast an object's position changes over time at any given moment. Units of speed are units of, we use kilometers per hour, kilometer or mile. In Lebanon, the cars, they don't use mile. American cars only, if we see now, I don't want you to go to your cars. They use the mile. Here in Lebanon, we use kilometer per hour. 1 mile equal to 1.5 kilometer, okay? Suppose that in 1 hour, you pedal your bike 12 kilometer, 7.5 mile. Your speed is 12 kilometer per hour, 7.5 mile per hour. Now, don't worry about this. I want you to look at the picture. These are the fastest speed of animals over short distances. Look at them. We will go back to them. But now I want to show you something. Now, I want you to stand up like this, okay? I want you to stand up like this. I want you to point toward the mountains. I don't know if you are in Tripoli or in Kura or anywhere, okay? Your right side there, up to the mountains where the sun rises, is the east. Your left side shows the west. In Lebanon, the west is always toward the sea. In front of us, where is Tripoli? In front of me, what else we called it? The north. In the back is the south. So these are the directions. And here we have also Stella. She's our dog here in the neighborhood dog. Yes, she's going to bring us some puppies so soon. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, Christy, very much for helping me, and thank you, Serena, for taping us. And I love you all, and I miss you all. Stay home and wait for me for another lessons.